One of the greatest things about my job is coming in on a Monday and seeing that I get to work on such a beautiful car like this. One of our good friend Jason's 69 Chevelle SS. It's in for a paint correction and a fusion coating with the wheels off. A little bit about the paint and stuff. You can tell that the body shop worked on it and buffed it. And the little difference between a body shop working on your paint and us is they just go through it real quick and try to tune out the harder scratches. And we like to get in there and get the more tighter, finer scratches out of the paint and give you a mirror-like finish. We're gonna pull the car inside, we're gonna wash it, clay bar it, iron fallout, check all the spots out on the paint, see where we're at from there, and get some cool 50-50 shots, show you how we're gonna make this paint a mirror finish. Paint is actually correcting pretty well. I'm using a moderate white pad with fast correction cream, and then I'm following it up with the yellow pad and perfection cream. It seems to be doing a great job getting all those micro scratches and those little heavier scratches out and bringing the paint to a beautiful gloss finish and ready for ceramic. I'm feeling lucky in every round. The forces struck me. I'm chewing gum. The Royal Empire is sleeping. Finally done with the paint correction and polish on the Chevelle SS. I like to bring it outside to check the paint and make sure natural light as well as the LED light that no scratches are sticking out or you can find any imperfections in the paint. I bring it outside, I let the sun shine on it, I go around with all angles, sometimes I have John with the camera dude as well. We like to bring it outside to make sure it's perfect before we seal it with XPEL Fusion Ceramic. Here it is, guys, the 69 Chevelle SS, fully XPEL Fusion ceramic coated. We have the inside of the barrels done, the faces of the wheels done, glass is done, all the chrome is polished and coated and protected. He's ready to go down the road with a beautiful, brilliant XPEL Fusion shine. Thanks for watching the video.